'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't.
How to access your Amazon account without VPS or VPN. By utilizing a standard internet connection and a web browser, you may access your Amazon account without the need of a VPS, virtual private server, or VPN, virtual private network. The steps are as follows. Launching a web browser. Open your favorite web browser on your computer or mobile device, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. Visiting the Amazon website, enter www.amazon.com into your browser's address box and click Enter. You will then be sent to the Amazon website. Sign in. On the Amazon homepage, generally in the upper right corner, click the Sign In button. Type your credentials here. You must enter both your password and your email address or cell phone number associated with your Amazon account. When you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, you may be prompted to enter a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Access your account. After successfully signing in, you'll have access to your Amazon account. You can view your orders, manage payment methods, update account settings, and perform other tasks as needed. It's important to note that if you're traveling or using a public Wi-Fi network, you should exercise caution when accessing sensitive accounts like Amazon. Ensure that the network you're using is secure and consider using HTTPS, a secure connection, for added protection. Using a VPN or VPS is typically not necessary for accessing your Amazon account unless you have specific privacy or security concerns. If you do use a VPN or VPS, make sure it's configured properly to avoid any issues with accessing your account, as Amazon's security systems may flag unusual login patterns.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a break.